Welcome to this presentation on experimental evaluation of event-triggered sliding mode control for trajectory tracking of a quadcopter. This research was conducted by Ramakalyan Ayyagari et al. And published in 10th January 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. This paper addresses the need for efficient resource utilization in quadcopters, which are increasingly employed in diverse applications requiring data processing and communication alongside maneuvering. Traditional time-triggered control methods are computationally intensive. Event-triggered ET control offers a solution by updating control actions only when a stabilizing condition is violated, thereby reducing computational load and freeing up bandwidth. The methodology involves the experimental evaluation of an event-triggered sliding mode control (ETSMC) for quadcopter trajectory tracking. The quadcopter S nonlinear dynamic model is derived using the Newton-Euler approach. Event triggering conditions are developed by incorporating a saturation function into the sliding mode control SMC design to mitigate the chattering effect. Experimental results from hovering and circular trajectory tracking scenarios demonstrate the effectiveness of the proposed ETSMC. In the hovering scenario, the controller successfully brings the quadcopter to the desired altitude, reducing oscillations and maintaining stability in the presence of disturbances. The ETSMC achieves robust performance comparable to classical SMC, with a significant reduction in control signal updates. The experimental evaluation confirms that ETSMC significantly reduces the computational burden on the quadcopter by updating control signals only when necessary, a crucial advantage for resource-constrained platforms. The derived triggering conditions, incorporating a saturation function, effectively manage chattering while ensuring robust stability and trajectory tracking. This paper presented an experimental validation of event-triggered sliding mode control (ETSMC) for quadcopter trajectory tracking. The methodology involved deriving ET conditions using Lyapunov analysis and a saturation function to mitigate chattering, along with ensuring a lower bound on inter-event time to avoid xeno behavior. Real-time experiments were conducted for hovering and circular trajectory tracking.